Hi, this is Andy with the Nail Gun Depot. Today we're going to teach you how to clear a jam on the Paslode cordless framing gun. Alright, so I noticed that my tool's jammed and I need to get that cleared to get it operating properly. So the first thing you want to do is disconnect the power supply. In other words, with the impulses, you want to take your battery out. Better safe than sorry, may as well take the fuel cell out too. On the cordless framing gun, there's two Allen screws in the very front that are underneath your depth adjustment. You want to loosen those two screws with an Allen wrench. I'm going to loosen it with my nifty set here. There you go, right between those holes. The other thing I forgot to mention is you may as well take out the fasteners. That way when you open the tool, those nails don't go flying anywhere. So I've got my Allen wrench. Use that one to get it started. And if we're lucky, we only need to take out these two screws. You want to separate the magazine assembly from the nose assembly. Gently. You really only need to go that far. I'll notice that my driver blade's stuck with a nail behind it. And I want to either use my screwdriver I had and push that driver blade down. On a really tight jam, you might have to tap it with a nail set or some other hard piece. Hammer that down, clear out the jam. What causes a jam? Well, there's lots of reasons. Number one would be the collation gets whacked out. In other words, you throw the box of nails in the back of your truck, you get 5 inches of snow on top of those nails, and if they get too wet, the tape collation will fail. You don't want to put the nails in wrong. Sometimes you put nails in backwards. Guess what? They're not going to work. The other thing is make sure you're using the proper fastener. You don't want to use a 28-degree nail and a 30 or 34-degree nailer. All right, we're back in business. Thank you.